Bonjour loves! Good morning! It's currently 7 a.m. and breakfast na namin. So, we'll head downstairs to eat breakfast first. Tapos, diretso na kami sa tour. So, nakapag-prepare naman na kami. And baka sa bus na lang ako mag-makeup kasi nalate ako ng gising. So, yeah, let's eat! I got croissant, ham, cheese, sausage, this is strawberry jam and Nutella, and cereals plus coffee. That's it for breakfast. We're here at the Arc of Triumph. Hi loves, we're here at the Arc of Triumph. There! We'll take pictures first.
So we gave the name Concord to the square. It means agreement. Look around you, 8 female statues and this one.
We're walking towards Louvre Museum. Pero di na kami papasok kasi ang haba ng pila sa security. So pretty here. And hindi mainit. We're here at the Eiffel Tower now. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina sa Louvre Museum kasi I forgot. And nagpicture lang kami doon. So here's the Eiffel Tower. Lunch with the view of the Eiffel Tower. Yes, yayamanin. Mga Nepo babies. Bonjour loves! We're here na sa hotel. Nakabalik na kami. It's currently 5:48 p.m. pa lang. Sobrang aga pa. Pero we'll take a rest first and tingnan namin kung lalabas pa kami mamaya. Kasi hindi din namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero baka mag-dinner na lang kami somewhere here near the hotel. Parang may sushi place ata dito ay nagki-crave kasi si Johan. So baka doon na lang kami kumain. So I'll update you guys later. See ya! Hi loves! We're here at Notre Dame. Hindi ko alam kung pwede kami pumasok pero I think it's closed. Then hindi ko din alam if may pupuntahan pa kami after neto kasi it's showing something. Kasi it's kind of far yung Moulin Rouge and yung Court of Debely na parang viewing or picnic area near the Eiffel Tower. So di ko alam kung pupuntahan pa namin or babalik na kami ng hotel after this. Medyo malayo din kasi yung hotel namin dito. Hi loves! Good morning! It's currently 7:30 and we're heading down for breakfast. Tapos after nun, diretso na rin kami umalis kasi papunta na kami sa Luxembourg today. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. See ya! Hi loves! nandito na kami sa Luxembourg. And ano ba yan? Nakapag-lunch na rin kami. Ngayon, mag-city tour kami dito. Parang walking guided tour with a tour guide. Tapos, free time na after. Saglit lang kami dito. Overnight lang kami dito. Tomorrow morning, alis na rin kami. Pangit ng buhok ko. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
To us. So it's a very small country between Germany in the west, east, France here, and Belgium over here. So if we go inside the cathedral later, if it's open.
Hi loves, nandito kami sa nandito pa rin kami sa Luxembourg. Tapos nandito kami parang sa Central Square nila. Magtatambay lang kami dito kasi we have our free time. And sarado kasi yung mga shops dahil it's a holiday. So hindi din kami makapag-ikot, wala din kami mapuntahan. So tambay na lang kami dito and sana may good na iced coffee kasi nanghihina na ako. Kailangan ko na ng iced coffee. Kanina dun sa pinag-lunch namin, mayroon iced Americano. Tapos nag-add lang ako ng milk. So di ko sa masyadong gusto, di ako satisfied. Gusto ko ng iced latte na may sweetener man lang. So yeah. Say hi to the vlog! Hi, Mom. Johan. Hi. Bonjour! We're here naman sa McDo to have dinner and para matry namin yung McDo dito. We just ordered chicken wings kasi busog pa kami dahil nag-coffee kami kanina. So, let's try it! Sarap! Hi loves! It's currently 8 p.m. already and it's still so sunny. And nandito na kami sa hotel namin sa Luxembourg. Actually, wala na kaming plan lumabas pa. We had dinner na sa McDo and wala din kasi masyadong mapupuntahan dito. I checked on the internet. So, baka mag-rest na lang kami kasi tour na naman ulit kami tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to Zurich already. Nag-stop over lang kami sa Strasbourg for lunch and then diretso na rin kami sa Zurich. So, I think I'll end my vlog here for tonight and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night! Bye! Hi loves! Good morning! It's currently 7:20 and we're heading out for breakfast. Tapos, diretso alas na rin kami. Today, we're going to Zurich and then mag-stop over lang kami sa Strasbourg. So, I'll keep you guys updated. I got croissant, scrambled egg, hash brown, a piece of bacon, and a piece of sausage. The strawberry jam and speculoos. Ang laki ng croissant nila dito compared sa ibang hotel na nakainan namin. Let's eat! The struggles. Hi love, we're here at Strasbourg. Quick stop lang dito for lunch and then we're heading to Zurich. So ngayon, naglalakad kami papunta sa cafe. Doon na lang kami magla-lunch. Yun na yung nearest sa bus stop namin. So nag-decide kami na doon na lang kami para di na kami masyado maglalakad. So let's go, let's eat! Hi loves, nakapag-lunch na kami and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nakalimutan ko and nagmamadali din kami. We just had pasta, salad, and beef teriyaki. Tapos ngayon, pabalik na kami sa bus kasi pupunta na rin kami sa Zurich. Talagang nag-stop over lang kami dito for lunch. That's it! Finally found a cafe that has iced caramel latte instead of iced latte lang. So let's taste it. Actually, wala nang yellow eh. I don't know if iced pa ba to or cold lang. May shortage yata sila ng yellow dito. Lagi yung konti ng yellow na binibigay nila. Finally. Kulang lang sa yellow. Pero, it's good. Ilang araw na akong puro hot coffee. Lulungkot na ako. Nanghihina na ako. loves, we're here at Zurich already. And meron lang kaming walking tour. Right now, we're here at the Swiss Bank. Say hi! Then, di ko alam kung saan kami pupunta na next. Basta, naglalakad lang kami. Tomorrow yung Mount Titlis, diba? We're here at the restaurant already. And appetizer pa lang parang hindi na masarap. Hindi na lang di ako masyadong gutom. So, I'm safe. Same. The food looks promising, not bad. I think it's fish. Let's eat. Hi loves! Good evening. It's currently 9:50 p.m. here. Almost 10 o'clock na. And we're here at the hotel. Checked-in na kami dito sa Zurich. And then, nakapag-freshen up na rin ako. And then, yeah. Today, wala naman kami masyado ginawa. Just roam around Zurich just a little bit. Tapos, bumili kami ng mga pasalubong sa supermarket. And then, that's it. Kasi, ang tagal din ng biyahe namin from... Nasaan ba kami kahapon? From Luxembourg. Nag-stopover lang kami sa Strasbourg and for lunch, and we head here sa Zurich. So, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night! Good morning, loves. We're heading out for breakfast. It's currently 7:30 a.m. Hi loves, we're here at the foot of Mount Titlis and mag-ride kami ng cable car somewhere up there going to the top, and then lipat kami ng ice flyer. Parang short lang yung cable car and then mag-ice flyer kami. We're here at the cable car already. Magla-lunch muna kami sa first stop. Ganda ng view, super! Hi loves! Nandito na kami sa Titlis. It's so beautiful. Akit pa kami sa taas kasi may mas mataas pa na part. And then mas marami atang hikes din.
How much?
She's buying a watch!
There's no discount?
Believe me, it's really what you buy in
Can you show it,
Switzerland
Mom?
is local made, and the price is everywhere the same. And the Tissot is the starting price.
Hi, Philippines! We are in Mount Titlis, Switzerland!
Are you ready? Ice flyer. Dalawa lang kami kasi di sila sumama. Cloudy na nga lang yung view, but it's okay. Grabe ka naman! Parang ka nasa rides. Papaga lang naman siya, so it's safe. Pwede pa tayo umulit, gagamitin natin yung ticket nila. Say, ang ganda. we're going down already. What can you say? Anong feeling sa taas?
Amazing. Good. Amazing.
So beautiful. First decent iced coffee from Dunkin'. Grabe, anong day na natin? Day 8? Day 8 or day 9, day 8 or day 7 na kami. Ngayon lang kami nakabili ng iced coffee na may yelo. May shortage yata ng yelo dito sa Europe kasi kahit iced coffee yung binibili namin, walang yelo. Tapos, ngayon lang kami nakabili ng decent iced coffee namin. And sana parating may Dunkin' kasi it's good. Here at Subway for dinner. Hi loves! We got back here na sa hotel and wala naman na kaming gagawin for today. Hindi na rin kami lalabas and medyo pagod na din kami. So, kanina nagpunta lang kami sa Mount Titlis and then stop over sa Lucerne. Sa Lucerne, wala naman na kaming pinuntahan na tourist spot. Nag-ikot lang kami, nagtingin-tingin ng mga watch pero di kami bumili. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night!